paper crafters, are you tired of spending hours searching for the perfect card idea? Only to feel stuck or frustrated because your cards all look the same?
Or maybe you've got plenty of ideas, but struggle with colors, images, and layouts that don't quite fit together.
You are not alone. What if there was an easier way to craft unique, beautiful cards without the stress and that endless searching?
Welcome to Sketch Inspirations, where you'll find creativity for every paper crafter.
Whether you're just starting out or you've been crafting for years, this program will take your card making skills to that next level.
It's your ultimate card making solution designed to boost your creativity and make card crafting easy and fun.
And the best part? It's for every card maker.
Whether you're creating for fun, to cheer loved ones, or even professionally, this course is tailored for you.
When you join, you'll get instant access to expertly designed card sketches. But more importantly, you'll learn how to interpret those sketches step by step.
But that's just the beginning.
As you move through the course, you'll master a variety of stamping techniques.
Our team of 6 top paper crafters with over 100 years of combined experience is here to guide you.
We'll share insider tips, help you build a design toolkit, and boost your confidence so you can create personalized cards your friends and family will love.
Not only will Sketch Inspirations save you time, you won't get frustrated. You'll discover how to use your supplies in new ways while creating stunning cards for every occasion.
And you'll find the answers to the question, what is a sketch and how do I use it?
Now, what exactly is included?
13 sketch modules,
3 card samples per sketch. That's 42 cards
for fresh, inspiring ideas anytime you need them.
Step-by-step video tutorials for every project.
No more guessing. Follow along at your own pace.
Written supplies guide with detailed lists and close-up photos.
Making it easy to create your own designs.
Printables with both metric and imperial measurements.
We've got you covered wherever you are.
Plus, you'll have 24/7 access to our dedicated learning site so you can craft whenever inspiration hits.
It's easy to use. You don't need to be tech savvy to enjoy this program.
Here's the really exciting part.
Previously, our subscribers paid $27 a month to get a sketch every 2 weeks.
And they had access as long as they were a subscriber.
Now, with this Cyber Monday special, you'll immediately see all 13 sketches and you'll receive lifetime access to everything. No waiting.
No subscriptions.
Everything is yours to keep forever.
It's all designed to be hands-on, practical, and fun, while helping you break through any creative blocks. All of this for a one-time price of just $63.
And that's not all. As a bonus, you'll also receive at-a-glance listing of every sketch image,
a scrapbooking layout based on a sketch,
6 additional Christmas ideas made with 3 of the sketches. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what one of our subscribers says.
As a longtime stamper, I enjoy a new challenge to keep my card making fresh. I think this class is great for newbies and old hat stampers too. Thanks always for your wonderful creativity.
Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned card maker, Sketch Inspirations will help you create cards with confidence.
You'll love using up your stash.
And you'll enjoy the process and feel proud of the unique cards you design.
You might be wondering, is it worth it? Let's break it down.
13 sketches,
42 card samples,
39 video tutorials,
52 printables,
plus all the materials list and bonus content.
For a one-time cost of only $63. That's over 60% off.
What an incredible value.
Why wait? Stop spending hours searching for inspiration and start making beautiful personalized cards that say wow. Unlock your creativity.
Build your card-making design toolkit and start crafting with ease.
Click the button to join Sketch Inspirations now.
And let's have some fun creating something amazing together.